Hey guys, Puppy Kicker back out here at the shop again. I got some company. A few local guys, one of my old buddies from high school, caught up with me one day at work. Said they've been looking for me. They seen some videos on YouTube. They seen Doc Sprocket, Fearless Front, and some other unknown guy. But anyhow, we've been toying with some mowers and stuff like that, building some mud mowers. They've already been building some. I'm gonna spin you around here and show you a couple of hillbillies.
Howdy, y'all.
Howdy, y'all.
Hello.
Alright, here's one that they got rigged up. This is his. This is my buddy. They call him Neuter. This is his son. This is a little contraption they've got made up. It's an old Murray. It's got the wheelbarrow for fenders since the tires are so big that the fenders hit. But they've been tinkering with it. They just got done making some exhaust for it. A little stack right there. It's actually an old fire extinguisher. They're fixing to try to start it. Alright guys, anyhow, y'all seen it started up. Got to adjust a little bit over here. He's got his spring. We had to spray some WD-40. They done the governor, the throttle mod right here. They have a pretty good spring going all the way up here, but the spring was pushed over towards the motor, which made this right here get in a bind. So it made the gas pedal get stuck. So we're going to fab up this piece here to help pull the spring over this way. We may try to get some riding done tomorrow if we can get Roberts done. But
get tired for mine.
Anyhow, we got that one, and then we're gonna go ahead and use this one for my sons. I believe y'all already know I've got the 13 horse Honda on it. But I've also been working on my old Sears. I'm gonna get you caught up to speed here. We've got the twin cylinder Vanguard on it. Hang on just a second. We've also got some goodies inside of the grill here. As you can see, we got the lights, and this works off a remote. It's the same. If you see my video on the 32-inch LED curved light bar, it's the same manufacturers, so you know it's wireless. So as you can see, they're really bright. We just took it outside for a little bit of test here, but it works good, and it's also got the built-in halos around the lights also. So I can change colors, whatever color I want. I like it, but the blue is my favorite. And then I guess you could say, if I get mad, I can always just turn to the demon.
Demon.
So anyhow, but we'll get you caught up to speed. What we got? We did. You want to grab that side? Oh, I got it. We did install the Vanguard. I've not got the air filter on it yet. I've got it over on the table. We tested out this fuel pump, and it was bad. Either that or I had it hooked up wrong. Either way, I got another one out here just sitting here for a testing purpose. We'll get it mounted up. Got the fuel line running through the back, and I'll show you that here in a second. We do have the X-Trax up front. Got the lawnmower battery mounted up top here. I had to end up putting a rag over the top of here because when you close the hood, the hot pulse sticks through there and kind of wants to hit if you're not careful. Those are the lights. That's how I've got it mounted in here. They're welded up onto the hood brace that I built, and then they're tack welded. A couple of good tacks right here, so they're not going to come out. Trust me, because I hit quite a few bumps outside just a little while ago. Got the gas pedal hooked up. That's the exhaust. It is also a fire extinguisher. The pipe that's running through the fire extinguisher has a bunch of holes drilled in it, so it makes it sound pretty decent. And now, this is the gas tank that we've got mounted up for it. It's actually, what'd you say this came off of?
Craftsman GT 6000.
It's
Range.
Craftsman garden tractor version. It's actually a triangled one. It comes over and then it goes down. It's got the pickup tube that goes through the bottom. Fabbed up some mounting brackets on it. It does not go anywhere. I'm gonna build up a heat shield that comes right through here. Keeps the heat away from it. I'll have it bend around to keep anything. So I don't want to hear nobody say, man, you're dumb for having it too close to the exhaust, because there will be no heat that's going to be able to get to the tank when I get done with it. Also, see, what else did we do? That's pretty much about it. I mean, other than the pulley, like I said, the exhaust, I'll start it up. I've got the kill switch here and a push button. Give me just a second. Let me get my automatic clutch holder down.
Wrong way, Lonnie.
No, I ain't wrong way. All right.
Go.
No. As you tell, it don't sound too bad. I like it. And just a simple little kill switch. But that's that. I will be putting another winch back up front just because I like to have them. But hopefully tomorrow we can get a little bit of ride footage in. I'm going to try to charge the GoPro tonight. So I do have to fab up some kind of mount back here, just like everybody else does. I want to have a pole sticking up so I can mount the GoPro on there and catch the ride as we're riding it. But I've got one more good thing to show you all. Something I scored. As you can see, it's brand new almost. It's got less than 10 hours on it. 20 horsepower Briggs Stratton Vanguard. Don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I may use it on the custom built 4x4 mower that I'm going to build with the two Peerless 820 rear ends. But anyhow, guys, it's just a real quick video to catch you up on what we've been doing. I haven't been recording anything because I actually got some metal in my eye last week, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That Thursday.
Yeah, we were out here working on this stuff right here, and I did have safety glasses on, but I had just the regular kind of safety glasses like this. Had them on, a piece of metal came out, hit my cheek, bounced off the inside of the safety glasses and went in my eye. Ended up having to go to the eye doctor and having it drilled out, so that kind of put me out of commission. I was out of work and everything for about a week. My eye is a lot better now, so we got back out here tonight and started building, working on these. Like I said, we're going to try to get some riding videos tomorrow for y'all, because I know I haven't brought any videos in a while, but just a little bit of test video I had, or test run outside. It was just a Libio mud hole, and she still slings mud pretty good, so we'll try. But until next time, guys, I'm Lonnie.
I'm Neuter.
I'm Robert.
And we're out of here.
Coming straight up out the woods where I love to stay. It's that country white boy that you love to hate. Pushing them 4-wheel drives cause we love some mud. And when we party, we ain't stopping till the sun come up.